So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to edit the text color here in Alight Motion. So to add some text to your video, make sure that the video is not selected. Go to the bottom right, select the circle with the plus. Then go down sort of to the bottom right above the X where it says text. And then go ahead and type in what you want. So if I wanted to type in the word color just like this, as you can tell, it's a little hard to see. It's gray. I'll just go to the top here, make it a little larger. Now, if you want to change the color, in the top right beside where the font size is, there's the gray box. Go ahead and select that. You can then go ahead and select a color of your choice here. So if you wanted to make it sort of cyan, you can do that. You can also go ahead and play with the wheel if you want. If that looks good, you can go ahead and sort of do what you got to do. Play around with it this way and just kind of go from there. So if you wanted to, let's just go back to the wheel here, just like that. And this looks good. Press the check mark right here. Go ahead, unselect it, and then if you were to play the video right here, you've now changed the color. If you want to go back to it, you can select the text right here. Bunch of different options, right? You can kind of play around with it, do what you got to do, and you can kind of go from there. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That's how to edit the text color in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.